Hello, welcome to Drop Zone Thailand. What's your name?
I'm Shraddha.
Where are you from?
I'm from Bangalore and I landed in Bangkok just today at 7 a.m. in the morning and I'm directly here.
What you going to do?
I'm going for a skydiving.
This is first time?
First time. Yeah.
Are you ready for it? Give me a high five. Have fun. Enjoy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Incredible, right? It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I want to cry because it's so beautiful. You can cry. It's good enough. Oh, I think it's a bird. Yes, you are. This is what birds see. Yeah. Oh. Wow, very good show, buddy. Awesome, awesome. Okay, say bye-bye to the camera. Thank you, my friend. See you later.
Welcome back.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Yes, let's go.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.